Yvonne Schalle has your look at weather. Yvonne?
Thanks so much, Chris. We'll be tracking another round of rain as we get in this evening, overnight, and then taking us in towards the morning hours as we kick things off for our Saturday. It's not going to be a complete washout. It'll be mainly cloudy through the afternoon with the chance for some showers and a few breaks in there as well. We are tracking some active weather, though. The areas of concern are for the interior. If you're along the mountain passes, we do have some snow that'll intensify this evening and continue through the morning, and many spots will continue to track some snowfall even in towards our Sunday morning. So most areas along the south coast with the heaviest rainfall in the morning, and then that snow intensifies and continues for the interior. Now, the following areas, we do have yellow warnings. That's for snowfall along the Coquihalla between 30 and up to 40 centimeters. The West Columbia region, 15 and 20. If you're along the Rogers Pass, it'll be similar. And we've got a special weather statement for Arrow Lakes as well as Slocan Lakes. We could see 5 and up to 15 centimeters. If you're traveling along the mountain passes, you'll want to check in with drivebc.ca for the latest road conditions. Along the north coast with that wet weather for our Saturday, temperatures up to 6 degrees. Very chilly for the northeastern corners. We're tracking snow. Temperatures overnight into the -20s for Fort Nelson and through the afternoon with highs up to -20. Here we go for central interior with a few flurries in the mix, and then much of the southern interior, higher elevations is where we'll be tracking that snow along the mountain passes. Kamloops through the afternoon, we'll see a changeover to a chance for some showers, some breaks. Whistler, if you're along the sea to sky, a few wet flurries in the mix with temperatures down to the freezing mark. Across the island and much of the south coast, we'll see the heaviest rainfall for the morning hours, easing off across the lower mainland towards the west, eastern areas, and extending into the Fraser Valley, still hanging on to cloud cover through the day with the chance for some showers. We are tracking another round of rain so far on our Sunday. Temperatures up to 10, mild into early next week with on and off rain. Chris?
All right, Yvonne, thanks very much. All right, Yvonne Schalle is here for Christy tonight with the weekend forecast. Yvonne.
Thanks so much, Chris. We've been tracking rain on and off through the day today with some heavier pockets. Now, it is going to pick up once again this evening, continue overnight, and take us in towards the start of our weekend. Now, through the afternoon tomorrow, it'll be mainly cloudy with the chance for some showers, so not a complete washout, but some of the heaviest precipitation will fall overnight and for the early morning hours. Now, if you're traveling along the mountain passes, we do have a few areas of concern. It is pushing in, continuing to intensify. We've got snow for higher elevations for Saturday and even leading in towards our Sunday morning. Now, the following areas of concern, we've got a yellow warning, snowfall along the Coquihalla, 30 and up to 40 centimeters, and that number takes us in towards Sunday morning. West Columbia, 15 and up to 20 centimeters. A few spots if you're traveling along the Rogers Pass will be included within that. Arrow Lakes as well as the Slocan Lakes will see anywhere between 5 and up to 15 centimeters with a special weather statement that remains in effect. Now, along the north coast with the rainfall, temperatures up to 6. Very chilly overnight tonight for Nelson, down to -22. Snow through the day tomorrow. Light snow across the central interior. We're still tracking flurries in the mix, and then most areas in towards the southern interior. Higher elevations for the morning hours. We'll see that snow and then changing over to a chance to some showers. Kamloops with highs up to 4. Whistler, if you're along the sea to sky, also flurries with temperatures up to the freezing mark or down to the freezing mark overnight. Most spots across the island as well as the lower mainland will see the heaviest rainfall for the morning, tapering off, but we will still hang on to a chance for some showers for eastern areas and extending in towards the Fraser Valley. Our 5-day forecast across Metro Vancouver, so rain for the morning hours, the start of our Saturday, tapering off to a chance for some showers. Another round of rain. It's going to be quite soggy so far on our Sunday with temperatures sitting at 10 degrees. All right, tonight's weather window, beautiful shot. This was captured in Likely, BC, and this was taken by Cheryl of the Snow. Chris?
All right, thanks very much, Yvonne. Still dreaming of a white Christmas around here, but at least they got it up there and Likely, potentially.